How to reverse video in CapCut. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut, import your video, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on your video and then scroll to the left with all the options below. And here you'll find reverse. Simply click on reverse and your video will be reversed easily. You will find reverse beside freeze and opacity. After your video is reversed, simply select upper arrow on top right and then save your video and you can use your video. This is how to reverse video in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time. Thank you for watching.